Hello, my name is Fred Dowd. I'm president of Technology Container in DeSoto, Texas. We are a manufacturer of reusable packaging and corrugated paper boxes. Our specialty is we extrude our own polypropylene sheet, and then we take that sheet and we turn it into some sort of reusable package. What I'd like to speak about today is reusable packaging in general. And the recommendation is that for most people, they're concerned about boxes going out to their customers and being able to get the boxes back from the field, from their customers, which can be difficult at times. And so the lower hanging fruit for customers or for potential users of reusable packaging is incoming goods to your manufacturing plant. Since you're the customer and the incoming goods to you are something that you can control and get back to your vendor, then you have the opportunity to reduce costs by lowering your incoming good costs, because the cost of the package is baked into the part that you're buying or the supply that you're buying. And so by doing that, you're able to utilize a more environmentally friendly system and lower your cost structure. So the theme on something like that is control what you can control and utilize reusable packaging, whether it's our totes or injected molded product or any type of reusable product, pallets, whatever, is control what you can control. Don't worry about the outside world and getting a box back from the field, but control what you control and reuse the package for your own purposes. And then also you can think differently these days. The technology has come a long way where we're mixing mediums. This is a reusable, actually it started off as a banana box, but it's really for anything tropical fruit. The banana industry spends about $1.50 per paper box, and this is a reusable package that is actually a merchandising unit. When it gets to the store, they take the top off and they take the sleeve off, and the product is displayed right there for the consumer. They don't have people going like this all day long loading the shelves with bananas. So whether it's a mixed medium, injected molded parts combined with a corrugated plastic sleeve, or just corrugated plastic, that shows the return. And this eliminates a costly $1.50 paper box. And it's also better at the store level because it's a one-touch merchandising unit for the retailer. It all comes down to cost per distribution cycle or cost per shipping cycle. If you can get back an injected molded tote or one of our products, then you have the opportunity to dramatically lower your costs. A box like ours or injected molded totes last hundreds of cycles. So they're generally 6 to 10 times more expensive than a paper box, but you divide that by 100, 300, 500 cycles, and it's really quite a bit cheaper to use. The nice thing about the technology today is anything you're doing in paper corrugated, we can now do in plastic corrugated. So we can print, die cut, fold, and glue corrugated polypropylene just like we do corrugated paper. So the technology today is such that we can mass produce these things just like we do paper, and that allows us to keep our costs down. We're a global supplier. We ship product all over the world, and allows us to address very large distribution systems on a timely basis. So on a paper box, a one-use paper box costing $1, you buy a $8 plastic box, use it 100 times, your cost per distribution cycle is 8 cents. And then the problem with paper is that online sales, and it's an ongoing expense for you, and there's a lot of soft expenses, soft costs that go with that. You have to order the boxes, you have to unload the trucks, you have to pay the bill, you have all the paperwork that goes with that. Once you install a reusable system, all those soft costs generally go away. So there's a lot of benefits to that as well. And then as far as environmentally, what you'll find is that this is a typical comparison of the environmental savings associated with the reusable system, and whether it's our product or injected molded tote. you can anticipate decreasing your energy, solid waste, greenhouse gases by those percentages. And we look at it, you know, everybody, all you have to do is turn on the news these days and you can see floods happening and these vicious storms that are wreaking havoc around the world. And if we can do our little part with reusable packaging, then that's nice. And the good thing about polypropylene is that when its useful life is over, they grind it up and they make something else out of it.